Imagine transforming your TikTok scrolling time into a profitable venture. Yes, it's possible. TikTok isn't just a hub for catchy tunes and viral challenges, it's a booming platform that savvy entrepreneurs are leveraging to make money online. With its captivating short-form content and massive global audience, TikTok's potential for monetization is nothing short of impressive. It's no wonder the app has seen exponential growth in recent years. So, how exactly can you turn this platform into a source of income? Stay tuned. To make money on TikTok, one avenue is through the TikTok Creativity Program. This initiative is TikTok's way of recognizing and rewarding the creative minds that bring the platform to life. It's a vibrant community where content creators can share their unique ideas, get access to resources, and earn money through their creativity. The program is designed to empower creators with the tools they need to turn their passion into a profitable venture. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a comedian, a dancer, or an artist, the TikTok Creativity Program is your springboard to success. It opens doors to opportunities such as brand collaborations, sponsored content, and more, enabling creators to monetize their talent and grow their following. The beauty of this program is its inclusivity. It's open to creators from all walks of life. All you need is a spark of creativity and a desire to share it with the world. Sounds interesting, right? Now let's delve into how you can get started. Getting started with the TikTok Creativity Program is as simple as 1, 2, 3. But before we dive into the steps, let's talk about what you need to join the program. First, you have to be at least 18 years old and reside in a region where the program is available. You also need a TikTok account that's in good standing, with original content that adheres to the platform's community guidelines and terms of service. Now let's break down the process into 3 easy steps. Step 1. Sign into your TikTok account and click on the 3 dots at the top right corner to access the settings. Step 2. Scroll down and find the TikTok Creativity Program option, then simply click Join Now. Step 3. Fill out the application form with your personal information and details about the content you plan to create. Be as detailed as possible to increase your chances of getting approved. Once you've submitted your application, you'll have to wait for TikTok to review it. This can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, so patience is key here. Once you're approved, you'll receive an email from TikTok confirming your acceptance into the program. And just like that, you're in. Now that you're in, it's time to start monetizing your content. Monetizing your TikTok content is where the fun begins. Our digital age has transformed the way we do business, and TikTok is no exception. With a vast and diverse user base, this platform provides numerous opportunities to translate your creativity into cash. One of the most straightforward ways to monetize your TikTok content is through product promotion. As an influencer, you can partner with brands that align with your content and audience. This partnership often involves creating engaging videos that subtly showcase a product or service. Remember, authenticity is key, so always choose to promote products you genuinely love and believe in. Next up, we have sponsored content. This is where a brand pays you to create content specifically about their product or service. It's similar to product promotion, but here, the entire video is dedicated to the brand. This requires a bit more creativity to blend the promotional content seamlessly with your usual content. Lastly, let's talk about fan donations. TikTok has a feature called Live Gifts, where viewers can send virtual gifts during your live streams. These gifts can be converted into diamonds, which can then be exchanged for real cash. But remember, monetizing your TikTok content isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, patience, and a lot of creativity to build a strong, engaged audience that attracts brands and encourages fan donations. With creativity and consistency, your TikTok account can be more than just entertainment. It can be a profitable business. Turning your TikTok into a money-making machine is not a myth, it's a reality. We've journeyed through the potential of TikTok, the creativity program, and how to get started. Now it's your turn to take the reins and start that TikTok entrepreneurship journey. Remember, every great success begins with a single step. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share where you're watching from in the comments. Until next time, keep hustling.